I'm Arjuna. Today I would like to discuss the syllable. What is a syllable? A syllable is a speech sound. A syllable is a unit of sound. Generally, a syllable is a word or a part of a word which has one vowel sound. To simplify it further, a syllable means one vowel sound. Let me illustrate that. Look at this word English. English. I split off this word which is called syllabic division. I break up this word into two parts which is called syllabic division. Here the hyphen indicates the syllabic division. It is easy for us to identify how many syllables a word has when we mark the syllabic division. Here the word English has two parts. It means the word has two syllables. When we utter or pronounce a word which has more than one syllable, we pause in between the syllables. Pause means we take breath after the first syllable. We pause in between the syllables. Here English, English, English. We pause after the first syllable English, English, English. So each part is a syllable because each syllable has one vowel sound. The first syllable has the vowel E. E. The second syllable has also the same vowel sound. Is. Lis. E. 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 English. English. E. E. So the word has two vowel sounds. It is called a disyllabic word. Let's discuss kinds of syllables. The first one, monosyllabic word. Mono means one. A word which has one syllable is called monosyllabic word. For example, class. Class. A one syllable word is never divided. We can't break up this word into different parts. We can't divide this word into unit of sounds or different parts because we pronounce that word in single breath. Class, class, without any pause. We pronounce that word in single breath. Class. We can't say class. It is class. The word has only one vowel sound, that is a. Cla, a. Second one, read, read. This word has also one vowel sound, that is e, re. A syllable is a vowel sound. Here the word is read. It has only one vowel sound. That is called a monosyllabic word. A monosyllabic word is never divided. We can't break up the word into other units. Second one, disyllabic word. Di means two. If a word has two syllables, it is called a disyllabic word. For example, teacher, teacher, teacher. The word has two syllables. Teacher. Each syllable has one vowel sound. T. Cha. The first syllable has the vowel sound E. Has the vowel E. The second syllable has the vowel A. T. Cha. E. A. Two vowels are two vowel sounds. Two vowel sounds. So it is a disyllabic word. Tennis. The second one, tennis. 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 A. E. Te. A. Nis. E. Two vowels. So disyllabic. Third one, trisyllabic word. Tri means three. If a word has three syllables, it is called a trisyllabic word. Remember. Remember. We can count syllables. Count the syllables on our fingers. Remember. The word has three vowel sounds. Remember. Remember. Relation. 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 E. A. A. Re. E. Le. A. Son. A. Relation. Three vowel sounds. Three syllables. Fourth one, tetrasyllabic word. Tetra means four. If a word has four syllables, it is called tetrasyllabic word. America. 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 Available. 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 Pentasyllabic word. If a word has five vowel sounds or five syllables, it is called pentasyllabic word. For example, examination. nation. E ja me nation. The word has 5 vowel sounds: e, a, e, a, a. Examination. If a word has 6 syllables, it is called hexasyllabic word. If a word has 7 syllables, it is called heptasyllabic word. If a word has 8 syllables, it is called octasyllabic word. But if a word has more than 2 syllables, if any word has 3 more than 2 syllables, or 3, 4, 5 or 6, we can call it a polysyllabic word. If a word has more than 2 syllables, we can call it a polysyllabic word. One more point: if there are 2 vowels together in a word and each keeps its sound, divide the word between the 2 vowels. If a word has 2 vowels together and each vowel keeps its sound, divide the word between the 2 vowels. Quiet, quiet. I-E. Here each vowel keeps its sound. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Diet. So here the word has 2 vowel sounds. These 2 words are called disyllabic words. I hope you will make use of this class. The next class will be on stress marking. Thank you.